Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing some Happy Mail. This is my fall Happy Mail from my crafty friend Jana, and I've opened up the box to save some time. There's a little letter in here for me. Oh, look at this pretty shred. That's fun. Let's take all the things off. That's a cute bag. Oh, very pretty. This might be for my daughter Charlotte. It's hard to tell. Let's see. Well, we'll keep opening up and we'll see. I'll take everything out. Oh, that's cute. Cute. There you go. Oh, this one's for Charlotte. Oh my goodness. Wow. So our daughters are the same age, and we've decided to, that's crazy, we've decided to have them become pen pals. So they are sending things back and forth to each other as well. So I won't open this little bag of goodies, but I spy an adorable doodle bug guy. That is super cute. Oh my gosh. There's all kinds of candy and stamps and fun things in there. She's going to be excited for that. Look at this. What? Sequence mix. I love it. Oh, it's wonderful. I can't get enough sequence. That's great. Oh my goodness. Oh, what? Oh, jambalaya. A Smokehouse Creole jambalaya mix. This is interesting. With instructions too. I see some recipes that Jana posts on her Instagram, and she looks like she must have some amazing dinners at her house because I'm constantly drooling and jealous. Look at all this fun stuff. Trick or treat yourself. That's funny. I sent her some gift bags. Oh, with a quote on there that was the same thing. I think that's a hilarious quote. That's really cute. Oh, what is this? Oh, some buttons. I love this little container. Adorable. What is this? Fun. Okay, so let's take all of this out and take a picture. Oh, there's something else in here. Another awesome little container. Oh, I love these containers. Oh, it's got some stuff to it. Very cute. There's a line called Hey Pumpkin from Crate Paper. I'm not like a huge Halloween scrapbooker. I'm going to put some of this shred in the photo. But if I were to get any Halloween line, it would be that Crate Paper one. Might have to pick up some of it before it disappears. So let's just put everything out here. And we'll take a little picture. Super cute. Okay, where to begin? Let's start with this guy. I love black tulle and the way that she's used that as a bow to secure this little package. That is really cute. I wonder if I can save this and use it again. There we go. I have a Happy Mail package that I have sent to her as well, and it was more of a like a Thanksgiving fall type theme, and today I am opening this on our Canadian Thanksgiving. So I have the day off today. Cute, spooky little socks. I'll have to wear these for Halloween, so that's good timing. Hot socks. Very sweet. Fun. Come take a closer look at these. The costume. Boo, spooky. Hello, pumpkin. Hocus pocus. Boo crew. Those are nice. Bow down witches. Cute. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, Walmart. Okay. Oh, what a neat pocket she's made here. Now, how do we get in this nicely? That's cute. Very cute. Oh, I feel like something's in here. No, it must be something on the other side here. Gosh, this is like, reminds me of a Casper storybook that I read as a kid. Look at these cute stickers. I was just looking for some pumpkin stickers yesterday to seal an envelope. Oh, these are adorable. Those are very cute. What does this say? Some little note cards, like some little cut apart ephemera. I don't know what this collection is. Happy Haunting, Happy Halloween. Very cute. Yeah, I'm not one to scrapbook a lot of Halloween stuff, but I've been inspired lately by Serena B, who has created an October daily, and it looks so fun. She just loves Halloween, and it's making me almost want to do an October daily, but I'm more of a December daily, and it takes me, well, sometimes like the entire year to finish my October daily or my December daily, because I put so much work into it. Ghosts rule, bats drool. Eek. Happy Haunting, rest in peace. I put a spell on you. Oh, that's cute. She's got a little tear there. Very nice. Super cute. This pumpkin 24 karat gold mask is too cool for school. That's fun. Give that a try. Maybe I should put that on today, since I have time today. Oh, she's made me one of these pockets. Speaking of Serena B, this is where I first saw how to make these. Oh, I guess I should. Oh, I can't really untie it there. Let's just do this. How to make these pockets. I don't think I can untie that. I love this little skeleton guy. Was from Serena. She has some wonderful tutorials on how to make these. Are so cute. These little folios, and it's such a brilliant idea because they're so simple, but such a great way to send little gifts to your Happy Mail pen pals. So cute. Little pumpkins. These will come in handy for doing up treat bags for, look at those, for our friends. It's always so hard to give things away that you've been gifted. Actually, that's kind of fun there. Boo to you. I'll put a spell on you. I love this way she's done this. Happy Haunting, rest in peace. Yeah, these are really, really cute. Very nice. Where to begin? Let's go for this one. Oh, wow. Look what she's done here. Whoa. Got some sequin mix coming out if I shake it too much. That's cute. So she has made a little shaker pocket, and then she's created this little tea pouch. What a good idea. What's the flavor of this? Decaf. Oh, fruity black tea with bergamot oil. So that'll be kind of like an Earl Grey sort of a tea. A Ceylon and a green tea. Very nice. Well, that's fun. Put that right up here with my tea selection that I keep in my craft room. Let's go for this hay pumpkin. It's inside here. Oh, oh, wow. I love this container. Oh, look at these cute little scalloped circles that she's created for me. Wow, a thread underneath. Super cute. Those are fun stickers. I wonder if she's mixed collections here. Here's how she's used one of them, so let's go to that one next. Really want to save this black tulle. Oh, sent me a t-shirt. That's perfect to wear with my new Halloween socks. Oh, I like it. Looks like exactly right size for me too. That is so cute. I love it. Ah, that's wonderful. I will wear that for sure. The kids are always asking me what I'm dressing up as. I never dress up on Halloween when they go out. Now I'll have something festive to wear for Halloween. And if I'm not mistaken, I think Halloween actually falls on a volleyball night. So if I'm playing volleyball on that night, I can wear this shirt to go with it. That would be perfect. Ghost stories. Oh, can never go wrong with sending treats. Whole box of candies, gummy bears, Skittles, Jolly Ranchers, Sour Bites. That's so cute. I'll share these with my other daughter, although I won't tell her I'm going to share them or that I even have them, because if you give her a candy, she goes and steals or hides or sneaks around and eats the entire box or bag. So that is really cute. What a fun package that was. And my daughter is going to have so much fun opening this. Let's take a quick little peek at this here, just to show you what Jana has made in this little packet. Super cute. And I'll give this to her, and then she can read her letter, and I can read my letter, and we can show all of our different fun. Look at that cute little box there. Spider. Fun. Well, there, see, she's done what I said. This would be cute to have these on some little treat bags, and that's what she's used it for too. So very fun. And I'm actually sending off a treat bag to some friends today. I'm getting it ready, so this will be happy to add some little things inside. So thank you so much for watching, and it's very festive. Maybe this will get you into the Halloween spirit. It was almost feeling like Christmas around here because we have snow and a turkey dinner and a fire, and it's like, this feels like Christmas on Thanksgiving. But the snow has all melted. It's back to looking like fall. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you. I post crafty videos, sometimes things that I'm creating, sometimes things people have created for me. So if you are interested in seeing more, I would love to have you here. Go ahead and hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video, and show Jana how cute you think her package is. Thanks so much for watching. See you again next time.